Welcome back to Midyoram and the Dr. Kumaran, astronumerologist, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. He's traveled all over the world. He's also wellness and lifestyle consultant. Once again, the number is 052961133. We have a caller with us, Doctor. Hello.
Okay.
Midyorathilekku swagatham. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
എന്റെ പേര് നിർമ്മല. എന്റെ മകന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്.
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, മകന്റെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
Date of birth 3rd December 1990.
Okay. Time?
Time is 7:52 a.m.
Okay. And place?
Kerala.
Okay. എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്?
എനിക്ക് അറിയേണ്ടത് അവന്റെ ജോലി സ്ഥിരമായി ജോലി ചെയ്യോ ഇവിടെ. പിന്നെ ഈസ് വർക്കിംഗ് ഹിയർ.
Okay.
പിന്നെ വേറൊരു കാര്യം അവന്റെ ഭാവി എങ്ങനെ.
Okay. Okay, she would like to know about her son. He's working right now here. So
Okay.
she would like to know how stable is his job and how long will he continue and also his future.
Okay. 03/12/1990 7:52 a.m. He is Vishabh Rashi and Makiyam Nakshatra.
Yes.
Yes, and his Ardha Shani will start in January 2017. Just for your information.
Yeah.
He doesn't have any he doesn't have any Chavadosham. He is birth number 3, life path number 7. So he can go for the Navaratna, that is 7 number, prosperity pendant number 7. 7 is quite favorable number for him. The dasha which is going on is Guru Dasha, Vyayam Dasha from June 2013 to June 2029. I think he can continue here. Away from the motherland will be good for him. Away from the motherland will be excellent for him, for his job. And he is in what field now?
He is an engineer. He's working as an engineer.
I think for 1 year he has to struggle. After that he can get a good job of his choice, because he has to take some experience and then only it is possible.
Okay.
And I would advise him, you can go for the aquamarine crystal and prosperity pendant number 7, as I told you. And even you can do some medicines or food or donation or tonics to the orphanage.
Okay.
That would be very good for him. Tell him to feed the birds with water and cooked rice. Feed the birds with water and cooked rice. And he can do some meditation on yoga. That will also help him out for his concentration.
Okay.
And he should avoid haircut and nail cut on Thursdays.
Okay.
I think that would give him good results in 2015-16, so he can settle completely in the meantime, because as I told you, in January 2017 his Ardha Shani will go, where he will have to face a little bit of obstacles.
Okay. So motherland will be better for him, right?
No, away from the motherland will be better for him.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you,
bye.
Nirmala. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, bye. All right. Doctor, we'll go for another Rashi.
Yeah, that is Tula Rashi.
Yes.
Okay, it is again Tula Rashi is again 50%. We finished Tula Rashi? No.
No, we haven't.
Okay, it is Tula Rashi. Okay, it is 50%. Basically, out of 10, it is only 5 points. They will be in the last phase of the Kantaka Shani, and that will give them good relief in the financial matters. But the relief will be not up to 100%, only 50%. On one hand, they will get some relief in the debts and loans, that means they will be able to pay some debts and loans. But on the other, they will maybe occupied with some unnecessary expenses. Your enemies will get defeat, but health may give you some stress in the mid of 2015. There are strong possibilities of gain from the father or the state, and you will get lost fame and position back. If you have lost a job or fame, you will just get it back. Your decisions will make the right impact. Success is assured in the matters of related to property, so you have a good land luck in 2015. And time will be very, very crucial for children, because they may have a little difficulty in getting for the education. Okay, health aspects has to be taken in consideration. Your lucky number is 3 and 11. You are the remedies for this, you can perform some donations to the poor and be away from red color and yellow Northeast is you can have to be away from the northeast direction, and food also you can avoid some consuming sweets and sour products, and do not be away from the company of servants. Be away from the company of servants. That is for the
Tulam.
Tulam.
Okay,
So
doctor.
we
That
can
was for
again
the Tulam Rashi. Okay, we have a caller with us right now.
Okay.
Okay. Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, നമസ്കാരം. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
പ്രവീണാണ്.
പ്രവീൺ. എവിടുന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്നു?
അബുദാബി.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
എന്റെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് 3/4/1973.
ആ, ടൈം?
73.
ഓക്കെ, സമയം പറയൂ.
6:35 AM.
ഓക്കെ, പ്ലേസ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
കേരള.
ഓക്കെ, എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
Actually, I'm going to construct a house. അത് എത്ര ഈസിയാണ്, how it is possible അതൊക്കെയാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, he is planning to construct a house.
പിന്നെ എന്റെ കരിയറിനെ പറ്റി അറിയണം. Opportunity.
Okay, your Meena Rashi and your Nakshatra Uttaratadi,
Yes.
and you don't have any Ardha Shani. Ardha Shani has just finished in November 2014, so it's a good time to build a house in 2015. You got Sarpa Dosham, and you have to do the necessary prayers of Sarpa Dosham once in lifetime. If you have not done it, please do it at your native place.
Okay.
Your birth number 3, life path number 9. You can go for the prosperity pendant number 9, which will give you very good results, and even you can go for the yellow quartz crystal. Your dasha which you are going on is Shukram dasha. Yes, it is up till 2021. So you can expect a good rise in the career in 2015, and even you have got land luck, so you can build a house approximately after mid 2015. Okay, and I will advise you can always avoid at night white milk, yogurt, lassi, and even radish, mulangi. This will increase your financial stability. Even you can give donation of food and fruits to the elderly home people. Do not give money, but elderly home people, old age home, what we call is, please donate food and fruits of good qualities. So like you will also get good benefit in the 2015. Wash your feet before going to bed at night, and always wear bathroom slippers while taking bath. I think this would give you very good results and successful results in 2015. Okay,
thanks a lot. Bye
okay,
bye.
thank you, bye.
Thank you very much.
Happy New Year.
Yes, we'll talk about the next Rashi, doctor.
Yeah,
Which is
that
it?
is Scorpio.
Okay, Vrishchikam.
Yeah, Vishchikam. Okay, this is approximately 40% results, 4 points out of 10. They will be their planets which are mainly ruled by Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu are not going to give them good results. They need to do some work with patience. A lot of unfavorable situations regarding health, wealth, career can come up to them. Even they will be what you say, especially if the major sub period is there for the opponent planet, that also can give the good bad results. Tensions will arise because of health problem, as I tell you, enemies and even life partner. Take care while driving. Don't experiment at your workplace, and don't take any financial risks in any investments. And even you should avoid having arguments in 2015. The middle phase is basically you have a middle phase of the Saturn planet. Unfavorable, you are prone to anger, speech, confusions and health problems. Ability to successfully win over opposite situation, that is your favorable aspect. Your lucky number is 4. You have to stay careful while driving, as I told you, and be away from the color that is blue and black. Journey in west south. Food items like consuming spicy and sour products is not good for you, and be away from the company of bad people. Yes.
Okay,
so
thank
we
you. So
have
that was for Vrishchikam. We have a
Yeah,
caller
we
with
caller
us.
yes.
Hello, നമസ്കാരം.
ഹലോ,
മിഴിയോട്ടിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ഞാൻ വാസു, അബുദാബിയിൽ നിന്ന്.
ഓക്കെ, എന്താ പേര്?
വാസു.
റാഫി.
വാസു.
ഷാഫി. ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
1962 June 5.
ഓക്കെ, June 5th, 1952.
വാസു.
ടൈം?
50 to 62.
early morning.
അല്ല 52 ആണോ 62 ആണോ?
62.
ഓക്കെ
52.
52 യെസ്. ഏർലി മോർണിംഗ് എത്ര മണിക്കാണ്?
1 മണി.
ഓക്കെ 1 AM.
1 AM.
ഓക്കെ എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത്?
ആലപ്പുഴ.
ഓക്കെ കേരള. ഓക്കെ എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്റെ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ സമയം അറിയാനാണ്. ബിസിനസ് നടത്തുകയാണ്, ഒരു ഗുണമില്ല, സാമ്പത്തികമായിട്ട് ഇത്തിരി ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട്.
Okay. He's running a business. It's not financially stable, so he would like to know about it.
Okay, you are Tula Rashi and Chitra Nakshatra. And in Tula Rashi, actually, yes, Kantaka Shani is going on. You see, that is why in business you will not be doing very, very favorable, because you have entered the third phase of Shani, which will finish in October 2017. And your birth number is 5 and life path number is 6. I would advise you go for the prosperity pendant number 6. Even you can go for the yellow crystal quartz. Your dasha which you are going on is Budam dasha. Dasha is okay, it is up till August 2022, but because of Kantaka Shani, I think you have been not financially stable in the business. First of all, just see that your business place is, you are facing north while sitting at your business place, and even you don't have a bathroom or a pantry in your business place in the northeast or east area. If you have to avoid that. Business will not prosper if you have these things in your place. Plus, I will advise you that do not keep any electrical goods in your office place. Mobile etc. necessary things are okay, but unnecessary things of electrical appliances, if you have, please take it off that. You should feed the ants daily with good jaggery and atta. That is daily routine for you. Even I would advise you feed the pigeons daily for 62 days with yellow moong dal. I think that would help you out very good. Are you listening to me?
Yes, hello? I think
Hello?
that, yes.
Yes.
കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ?
കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
Okay, you're noting it down maybe. Okay, and even at your office, that is table office, you can keep
Hello?
you can keep a crystal elephant and a crystal turtle in water. But a crystal elephant, 2 elephants with the what you say trunk upwards. I think that would dilute the negative energies in the office, and you will start getting good favorable results in 2015. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Okay, doctor,
Bye.
we'll go to another Rashi.
Yeah, I think Rashi, that is next. Dhanush.
Yes, Dhanu Rashi.
Dhanush Rashi, it is this is also, I will say again, 50% it is come for them. They will also
Okay, before we start with the caller.
caller please.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello? Okay, I think that's dropped.
Dropped. Okay, we will wait for it. Okay, as we were saying, Dhanush Rashi, this is also 50%. As per it, there are expenses, unnecessary expense will increase. Wasteful travels are possible, and possibilities of relocation are also there in 2015. Even you have to take special care of your parents' health. You have to stay away from all legal matters. Disputes are possible with elder brothers or father, so keep a check on your behavior. If you have any diabetes, any health problem, you have to take extra care regarding your health. Even you are in the first phase of Shani, impatience and blind faith on others is quite a negative point. Favorable is faithfulness and certainty. Lucky numbers are 1 and 5. You have to stay away, careful from enemies and water bodies, and be away from white and black color. Joining the southeast, food items, avoid consuming sweets and yellow color products, and be in the company. I think if you be in the company of elderly people, members, I think that would give you good results.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you, doctor. So that was for Dhanu Rashi. We have a caller with us. Hello, namaskaram. Hello, മീഡിയത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. യെസ്, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
മാഡം, എന്റെ പേര് സുനിൽ കുമാർ, ഞാൻ ദോഹയാണ് വിളിക്കുന്നത്.
Okay, Doha.
Who's he?
Sunil.
Sunil
Okay,
Kumar.
from Doha. Okay, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ സുനിൽ, date of birth
He's
പറയൂ.
from Doha?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Sunil Kumar, happy New Year to you, and thanks for watching NTV.
Thank Thank you, sir.
Yes, thanks a lot. Yeah, പറയൂ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
Date of birth 16/2/1975.
Okay, time.
Time 4:30 p.m.
Okay, place of birth.
Place of birth Nagpur.
Okay, it's Maharashtra.
Maharashtra, Nagpur.
Yes.
Okay.
എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
Okay. എന്റെ ജോബ് വേണ്ടി ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാം. പുതിയ ജോബൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും അതറിയാനാണ്.
Okay, he's trying for a new job, so he would like to know what is the possibility of him getting the
Okay.
job.
First of all, thanks for watching NTV. Just wanted to know how you are watching this NTV in Doha. Are you getting
online ആണോ?
how you are watching?
Yeah. Actually, one of my friends from Dubai told me about this NTV online, especially your program.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Regular
I think-
viewer ആണോ?
I heard that you visited Doha also. So next time if you come, just give me a call so that I would like to meet you personally.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, I keep flying to Doha. I cover Doha, Bahrain, and Oman. So whenever next visit is my Doha visit, you can come and surely see me in my place, in my hotel. Okay, you are Mesh Rashi and Ashwati Nakshatra. And yes, in fact, Ardha Shani is just started from November 2014 to October 2017. Can I ask you, did you get a break in the studies?
No, it's a continuous non-break.
Sorry? No? Due to some circumstances, did you get break in the studies?
I did break for 2 years for PG only.
Okay, you did a break, no? You got a break.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. The dasha which is going on is now presently is Chandrama dasha, moon dasha.
Okay.
Yes, and I feel the Saturn planet has been quite favorable for you. As you are looking out for a new job, I think that will actually, this job which you are going to change has been in the pipeline, I think, for last 1 year, 6 months to 1 year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, correct.
So whatever you get with patience, because Saturn is basically a Saturn planet is a slow moving planet. It will give you the results, and once it gives you the results, whatever results you want or your wishes can be fulfilled, it is permanent, and favorable.
Okay.
So I think the job change what you are going through in 2015 will be very, very favorable for you, and even very favorable and quite successful. You will be very, very successful in this job.
And so next job I am planning to do some business also. So how far it will be successful?
Yes. You have a capability to do 10 things at the same time. Am I right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can do this job also, and subsequently you can do business or anything related to land, to Bhumi, anything earth.
Okay.
Maybe real estate, constructions,
Think
or
about real estate business.
constructions, real estate business, or anything, even supplies, building material supplies to the buildings, anything, maybe tiles, maybe steel, maybe cement, whatever it is, like you got a very good land luck. I think 2015 is a very good break for you, and it is number 8 also, number 8, 2015 is number 8, so 8 usually denotes to the planet Saturn. Whenever I come, I think you can contact me. I will tell you some more remedies in detail, where I think you can make
So
two.
what is your personal number then?
Sorry?
What is your personal number?
So you can contact Kiran. Yes.
Okay, that same number
Yes.
is displayed on the
Yes,
TV.
yes.
Yes, please.
050-272-4157.
You can contact Kiran about my visit to Doha. Then he will give you an appointment. For any personal appointment, contact Kiran, and he will give you my details regarding my visit to Doha or Bahrain or Oman, wherever it is. So you can contact him and then come and see me personally. I think we can make your 2015 remembrance year, where you have really got a
Memorable one.
rememberable.
Thanks, sir. So thanks a lot for getting. Thank you, madam.
Okay,
no,
thanks a lot, Sunil. Regular viewer ആണോ മീഡിയോത്തിന്റെ?
ആശംസകൾ സുനിൽ, ആശംസകൾ സുനിൽ.
റെഗുലർ ആയിട്ട് വ്യൂ ചെയ്യാറുണ്ടോ എന്ന് ചോദിച്ച പ്രോഗ്രാം ഓൺലൈൻ.
ഇത് ആദ്യമായിട്ട് എന്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട് ദുബായിലുണ്ട്, പുള്ളി എന്നോട് പറഞ്ഞത്
Okay.
നോക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങിയത്.
Okay, anyway, thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Happy New Year to all the
Yes.
Keralites in Doha.
Thank you.
Okay,
Same to you
bye-bye.
all.
Bye, thank you, bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, so we'll go to another Rashi.
Yes, I think we should go. Which is
Magaram.
Makaram.
Yeah,
okay.
we finished with Dhanu Rashi.
Okay, now I think we will just concentrate on the Rashi
Yes,
sector.
yes.
We have Makaram, Kumbham, and
And
Meenam,
Meenam,
last three,
yes.
correct? Okay, Makaram is again 6 out of 5, so 60% you will get results. Regarding the planet Ketu, Jupiter, and Saturn will be supporters to a certain extent, but Rahu planet in the your what you say for 2015 will not be so favorable. You can get certain auspicious or inauspicious things happening in your life in 2015. After the completion half of the year, the Jupiter planet will come and it will give you a little bit of good results. Plus, health little problems may arise. And you don't depend completely on your what you say reality. Just you have to do very hard work. Your courage will improve. Your interest toward the whatever things you do will increase. So task related, it will be accomplished. This is basically a golden period for people who are into relationship. It will improve, and you are likely to tie a knot. So those who are into relationship, you can get married in this year. Maybe second half. After passing half of the year, time may become little more favorable. That is, unnecessary expenses come in the second half. Okay, unfavorable is pride. Pride is basically there. Lucky numbers are 6. Precaution, you can get into addicted. Maybe you can get into wrong company. Be careful regarding this. You should be away from yellow and red. Journey towards northeast direction. You should avoid consuming sweets and heavy oily products, and avoid the company of you can say servants and employees too much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. So that was for Magaram.
Yes,
We
only
have a
the-
caller waiting with us. Hello.
Okay,
Good
okay.
afternoon. Hello.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Hello, can you
Yes.
hear me?
Yes. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
Nur Shaji.
ഷാജി. Okay.
Yeah.
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. Date of birth പറയൂ.
Date of birth 10 to 1974.
Okay. Time?
Kannur, Kerala.
Time പറയൂ.
4 p.m.
Okay. കേരള. എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
How is the 2015 for me?
Okay.
Health and
Okay. You would like to know
financial
the
and
year.
social.
Yes, you would like to know what is house 2015 for
Yes.
health and career.
Financial and job, yeah.
Yes. Okay, you are Kanya Rashi and Atam
Okay.
Atam Kshetra. Atam, yes. Kanya Rashi, actually I will tell you just recently the Kantaka Shani, that is Saraswati Kantaka Shani, is just finished in November 2014. So I think you have a lot of good things in store for you for 2015. You are birth number 1 and life path number 6. I would advise you can go for the prosperity pendant number 7. 7 is again the number of creation, 7 days of the week, 7 wonders of the world, 7 continents, 7 seas, Sasu, lot of things are there. So you should go for a Navratna, that is 7 in the prosperity pendant number 7. You can also even go for the yellow quartz crystal. Your dasha which is going on is presently is Guru dasha, Vayam dasha. So I think this Guru dasha, Vayam dasha will give you good results up till 2021. It is from 2005 to 2021 mid June. I think I think you will have a good year regarding this. Only thing you should be careful regarding your some acidity problem or digestion problem or pain in the bones or joints. You should be only careful regarding the same. And regarding career growth is you can say expected after the second half of 2015. I would advise you, if I can do some remedies, donate to the blind and lame. Wherever you have a donate to the blind and lame people, and even you can do some donation to the special needs children.
Okay.
Yes, even you feed the ants. Take a flute, feed the ants. Take a flute, feed what you say, fill it with what you say sugar and atta or sugar and coconut powder.
Okay.
Fill it and do this once a month. Bury it where you have see lot of ants, just 3 inches below the ground. Bury it. I think it's food for the ants for the whole 1 month. So I think if you do this, your career prospects can grow up. Do not accept any white color things. Do not accept any white color things at night.
Yeah.
At night, at night do not accept. In the daytime you can tell them, come in the daytime and give me some gifts.
Okay.
And even the last thing, you can sponsor a pilgrimage tour for anybody who cannot afford it. if you would like to go for the pilgrimage tour, I think if you do that, I think that would give you very good results for 2015. Okay?
Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, doctor, we'll go to another Rashi, Kumbham.
Kumbham Rashi. Okay, Kumbham Rashi is, I think you will not be getting much results. It's just 30% out of like 3 points, 100. So it is, you have to have a real struggle regarding the same, regarding health, wealth, happiness. You can have unnecessary expenses, even unnecessary health expenses where you have to have get yourself diagnosed regarding the same. Even you may be prone to sudden accidents, financial loss, health problems from enemies during the whole year of 2015. I think for your people, you have to do lot of remedies regarding the same. Even foreign long trips are possible, but they will not be any much favorable. People associated with business in foreign lands are likely to gain a little profit, not as per their expectations. You will get support from your father and seniors, and even some hidden enemies will try to harm you, so please stay alert. For you, basically aspect is self-confidence. That is good, but overconfidence is not advisable. You should be away from the color red and maroon. Journey towards north direction. Food items, avoid consuming sweets, heavy oil items, and avoid milk, that is dairy items, during night time. And company of near and dear ones will be very, very helpful to you.
Okay,
thank you.
doctor. Yes, so our time is coming to an end.
Achha,
Yeah,
so
so
we
we
have
need to
one-
wind. Yes, we'll do that next week.
Okay, so
Yeah,
Meenam
we have-
Rashi, I think okay,
Next
Meenam
week,
Rashi.
we'll keep it for next week. So once again, thank you, doctor, for being here on
Okay.
Mediorum.
Yeah, thank
Thanks a
you
lot.
very much. Thank you
Yes.
for giving me the opportunity to serve.
And thanks a lot for all your valuable astrological predictions that you've done for the coming year for all those Rashis.
Yes, yes.
Thanks
Yes,
a lot.
thanks. That's
So
my
ഇന്നത്തെ
pleasure.
എപ്പിസോഡ് വൈൻഡ് അപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ സമയമായിരിക്കും. ഞങ്ങൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞു ഇന്നൊരു വിന്നറിനെ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. So the winner for today is Rini. Congratulations, and the last 3 digits are 246. So Rini, അതുപോലെ ഇന്നലത്തെ നമ്മുടെ വിന്നർ ഷബാബ്, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മിസ്റ്റർ കിരൺ, you can contact Mr. Kiran on 0502724157. അപ്പം ഡോക്ടറെ നേരിട്ട് പോയി കൺസൾട്ട് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. So until we meet on Saturday, this is me, Sharon, signing off. Take care. Bye bye. See you all on Saturday.
നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.